Hi everyone, my name is Asya Korigangela and I'm a student intern at Courtyardly. I'm going into grade 10 and I love playing sports, volunteering, and advocating within my community. Today I'm going to be showing you how I store my personal online portfolio within the Courtyardly Skills Wallet feature. Once you log into your workspace and click on the third tab, which is Skills Wall in the left navigation menu, you'll be introduced to your workspace. And this is essentially where you can store meaningful projects, achievements, and moments. Here, you'll be given four default folders, which are life experiences, academic learnings, achievements, and finally, my creations. Now, you're also able to upload your old folders. And to create a new folder, you can press on the new folder button here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to give your folder a name. So I'm going to be naming my folder for Yardley internship work. Once I'm done with picking a suitable name, I can click create. Now it will create the folder for you, and you know your folder has been successful once the green button pops up. Now, to open the folder, go to the folder and double click it, and you'll be able to view the folder. Currently, I don't have any attachments within my folder, but I can upload it by either clicking the purple button that says upload here, or by clicking the back arrow, and it'll take me back to my workspace and clicking the upload button from there. Once I click the upload button, I'll press upload file, which is the first option. Once my file is uploaded, it will say upload successful at the bottom and it'll pop up and it's not in a folder yet. But if we want to move it into a particular folder, we can press on the three dots button and a list of options will pop up for us. We're going to click the second option, move to. Here we'll be given all your folder options and you're going to select a suitable folder. For me, that would be Courtyardly internship work. Now, again, in the future, if you ever want to move a particular file into a folder, you'd repeat the same steps that I just explained. Now, once I click on the three dots again for any file, I'm going to click on this file, the three dots. I'm also able to rename or download the file or even delete it. If I want to rename it, for example, into student extracurricular, you can rename it. And the renamed version will pop up. You're also able to download it. Once you download it, your photo will pop up here and you can delete the file. Moreover, if we want to have a tag, we can add a tag to each file. And essentially, tags in Courtyardly are another search engine mechanism, and it allows you to search for files or folders easily while allowing you to have multiple labeling mechanisms. Here, as you can see, I already have one tag, but I want to add another. So I'm going to click on it, and it'll pop up a typing bar and you can type your new tag's name. I'm gonna type the tag's name as mm, as receptionist individually. Reception. Then we're gonna click on the check box, then press save. This will save a tag. Now, if I want to add a tag for an attachment within a folder, when I double click on the folder, it will lead me to the attachment and I can press the add tag button. Now, if I type internship, for example, then press the checkbox, then press save, the tag will pop up. Now, when I press the backspace button and go to search bar, if I want to look for something, I can search up for either the name of the file or folder or the tags. For example, if I search up reception, my file that has the attachment reception will show. And when you add tags for files within folders, each file will contain its respective tags, but the overall folder will display all of the tags within the folder. Now, if we're looking to upload an entire folder onto Courtyardly without manually inserting each and every single file and attachment, we can click on the purple button Upload, and it'll take us to Upload folder. Once we do so, we can upload any folder that we are looking to add. For example, I'm gonna add this Zoom folder with recordings and images from Zoom meetings. As you can see, it's going to be uploading, and once it's uploaded, all the files from that folder on your computer will be transferred into Courtyardly's application. It's essentially really useful, especially this whole skills wallet features will be useful for when you're utilizing and building your portfolio. And I can I'm going to show you how my personal portfolio looks. When we go to your portfolio, you're able to add images and attachments. And one way to do so is by uploading directly from your computer or from the Skills Wallet feature. For example, if I go to the Add Media portion, I can press Add Media, click Upload, and as you can see, it gives me the option to upload from the device or Skills Wallet feature. I'm going to press Skills Wallet. It'll show me available files I can upload. For example, my student extracurricular one, and it will upload. Now, going back, we can see all the files we have. And when we double click on a file to open it, we can see all the attachments. And as you can see from the folder we attached from my computer, all the files instantly transferred with this and allowed me to view it. Overall, Courtyardly's Skills Wallet feature allows me to capture important memories, works, and achievements, and ensures that I have the ability to locate my work easily. And I highly recommend this feature for especially students looking to enhance their organization skills in terms of career planning, because it allows you to have all your meaningful work in one place while allowing you to use this when you're building your portfolio. Thank you for listening.